I'll start now. So I'll start with this basic definition on research, or specifically scientific research. So scientific research is a study conducted in contribution to science by the systematic collection, interpretation, and evaluation of data. So we need to have the systematic collection. Why? Because we need to come up with a valid data for us to have a valid interpretation and valid analysis. Okay, so that's why we must systematically plan, okay, before the conduct of the experiment or the research. Okay, so you are asked actually by your advisor or your teacher or your science teacher that you have to consult not to a statistician. Okay, I hope you agree with me, right? So do you hear that some other teachers or other advisors tell you the student to, okay, talk to your statistician or discuss this with your statistician? So then the question is really, what are the roles of statistics in a scientific research? So we have these roles. So number one, we have designing. We have designing experiments and surveys, and then collecting data or summarizing the data, and then describe data, estimate the parameters, and then test the hypothesis. So very basic on designing of experiments before the collection of the data. Because again, we need to have a valid data. So to come up with a valid data, we need to plan properly our experiment, or we have this designing of experiments.